Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. Today, we are taking a tasty journey across cultures to explore the world of dumplings. From savory bites to sweet treats, dumplings are a global favorite that reflects the rich traditions of the regions they come from. Let's get started. In Russia, we find pelmeni. These hearty dumplings are made with unleavened dough and filled with meat, mushrooms, or cheese. Originating in Siberia, pelmeni is perfect for cold weather. They are boiled and served with sour cream or melted butter. Next, we visit the bustling streets of Nepal, India, and Tibet, home to the beloved momos. These soft, steamed dumplings are filled with meats or vegetables and paired with a spicy red chutney. Whether enjoyed as street food or at home, momos are a true South Asian favorite. Now, let's head to Poland for pierogi. These versatile dumplings can be savory or sweet, stuffed with creamy potatoes and cheese or fruits like berries. After boiling, they are fried with butter and onions for extra flavor. Serve them with sour cream and you've got a dish that's loved by generations. In Ukraine, we find vareniki, a delightful dumpling that's often a sweet dessert filled with cherries or blueberries. Savory versions with potatoes or meat are equally popular. Whether sweet or savory, vareniki is a dish that showcases Ukraine's culinary creativity. From Italy, we have ravioli, a classic dumpling-like pasta. Stuffed with cheese, meat, or vegetables, ravioli is boiled and served with rich sauces. Its shape and preparation may resemble a dumpling, but its Italian flair makes it unique. In China, we have siumai or shumai, a staple of dim sum. These steamed dumplings, often filled with pork or shrimp, are a burst of flavor in every bite. Dipped in soy or chili sauce, they're a must-try. Finally, from India, we have modak, a sweet dumpling filled with coconut, jaggery, and cardamom. Steamed and shaped like teardrops, modaks are a special offering during Ganesh Chaturthi. Dumplings are more than just food, they're a celebration of culture, tradition, and culinary art. Wherever you are in the world, there's a dumpling waiting to tell its story. That brings us to the end of the story. Here you learned. Dumplings are a beloved food across cultures, with unique variations. Dumplings often hold cultural importance. And different varieties of dumplings across the world. We hope you liked this video. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.